Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Fenix 7X and I'm gonna show you how to lock the touchscreen. First we need to press and hold the light button to open the controls menu. Once you open the controls menu, you can scroll through this menu by using the touchscreen or by using the up and down buttons. Now select the icon called touch and you can disable the touchscreen by tapping on this icon or pressing the start/stop button. As you can see, touch is now off, so nothing will happen when I touch the touchscreen. And to enable it, you can open the controls menu again, and this time you need to use the physical buttons to change it because the touchscreen is off, so you need to press the start/stop button to enable it, and now the touchscreen works again. You can also go to settings, so let's go back to watch face. Press and hold the up/menu button to open the menu. Scroll down until you find the system option. Select it. Here scroll down, find the option called touch and select it. And right here we can customize the touch settings. Basically, we can disable and enable the touch for general use. So if you're not performing any activity basically, and you're using your watch, that's the general use. So if you disable it now, you won't be able to use the touchscreen at all. If you enable it, you can use the touchscreen. During activities, basically if you're performing some activity and you're tracking it on your watch. So this option is quite useful to turn off. For example, if you're swimming, you want to have the touchscreen turned off because the water is conductive and the screen will go crazy if you won't turn it off. And during the sleep also could be recommended to turn off because it will prevent some mistouches while you're moving during the sleep. And you can disable it if you want or enable it. And once you're done, press the back button a couple of times to go back. And that's how you lock the touchscreen on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.